In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and use MCP tools in Cursor. By the end, you'll know exactly how to connect new Model Context Protocol servers, update the configuration safely, and call those tools from right inside your AI chat. Start by opening Cursor settings. You can go to File, then Preferences, then Cursor Settings, or simply click the cog icon in the top right corner. Once you're in Settings, look for the Tools and Integration section on the left. Depending on your version, this may also be labeled MCP. This is where Cursor lists your connected tools and where we'll add new ones. Next, add a new server. Under the MCP Tools area, click New MCP Server or Add Custom MCP. Cursor will open your MCP JSON file. This file is the central place where MCP servers are defined, and each server lives inside the MCP server's object. Think of it like a map, a readable name for the tool on the left, and the command plus arguments on the right that tells Cursor how to start it. Now paste in the configuration details from the tool's official documentation, such as GitLab's docs or Microsoft Learn. Always copy from trusted sources and avoid pasting any secrets or tokens. As an example, for a web research tool, you might create an entry named Web Research that runs npx with the appropriate package at the latest version. For Azure, a typical entry uses npx with add Azure MCP at latest, followed by server start. The exact command in ours should match the docs for the tool you're enabling. If your JSON has multiple tools, make sure each one has a unique name and valid JSON syntax with commas in the right places. Save the MCP JSON file, then restart Cursor so the changes take effect. The simplest way is to close and reopen the app. If a tool doesn't show up later, it usually means the JSON has a typo or Cursor needs another restart. To use your new tool, open the chat window with Ctrl+L. Ask naturally like, search the web for the latest documentation on, or get the Figma designs for our mobile app. When a request requires a tool, Cursor will ask for permission before running it. Review the prompt, approve it if it looks right, and let the tool complete. If something fails, check your MCP JSON entry, confirm the command runs on your system, and verify you copied the latest configuration from the official docs. That's it. You've connected an MCP server, restarted Cursor, and invoked the tool through chat, ready to supercharge your workflow.